Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video I have a very good scrub that I want to review today. Yes guys, so if you know today is your first time of coming to my channel, hello, my name is Julia. So this is Julia Beauty and Style. So guys, let's get straight into this video. The product I'm going to be reviewing today is going to be Veet Gold Face and Body Scrub. This is the Veet Gold Face and Body Scrub. I'm going to show you how the content, how it looks like. What are the ingredients? It has a whole lot of ingredients here. It has the saboteur, sternic acid, it has the yawa, it has alcohol. Yeah, the alcohol is a married alcohol. We have the sodium hydroxide. There are a whole lot of products here, but the most important one is the retinol. That is the most important product most important ingredient that is in this body scrub is the retinol. So this brings me to the good part of using this product. So the good thing about using this product that it's whitening, let me not say it's whitening your skin, it's brightening your skin, because definitely using it alone will not whiten you. If you really want to whiten your skin, check out I review a particular product, Snapchat. Check out what I have to say about that product, and you can also use this along with the Snapchat. Yes, it works. Yeah, so for you to achieve the whitening that you want, you don't just stick to just one brand of a product. You have to use the combination. You have scrub, the face soap, the serum, and the lotion. Different ways you use the combo, and you get the exact results that you actually want. Yeah, so the importance of using this product, like I said, it helps to brighten your skin, and also is good, perfect for anti-aging. That is where the retinol comes in. Anti-aging, your wrinkles, your fine lines. Yes, it helps to slow it down. Even if you have it already, it will faint it a bit when you use it consistently. Like I use my scrub once in 2 weeks, so you can use your scrub every week. You can use it twice, maximum twice. Don't over scrub your skin. Yeah, so it's whitening the skin, promote clear healthy skin tone, clear blackheads, and also clot pores. It also helps to clear blackheads and also clot pores. And also other things it does for you is clear dark spots and discoloration, suitable for all skin type. Like I said, you have to test it a little part of your body before you be sure that it's the manufacturer may write suitable for all skin type, but you all know we all have different skin and how it reacts to product, and sometimes you may be on medication that will make the product kind of give you this adverse effect. So like what I said in my previous video, if you are pregnant, I'll talk about that. Let me talk about the disadvantage later. So this is the importance of using it. So if, like I said, if you want to whiten very well, check out that product, Snapchat. So you might have to pick out one or two things from that. Yeah, so that is the importance of using this product. So let's look at the disadvantage. The disadvantage is it may not give you that whitening that you want if you use it alone. Do not use it alone, because it will not give you the whitening that you want. And secondly, you have to be careful if you are a pregnant woman. Yeah, I'm not saying it's dangerous for you. It may give you, if you are in when you are in your first trimester, be careful of products you apply on your skin, because your blood your skin absorb it. Skin is an organ, part of the organ in the body, so it's absorb it. So when it's absorb it goes to your bloodstream, and anything that goes to your bloodstream gets to your fetus. So you have to be careful on products you apply on your skin. It's not only what you the products you take in through your mouth, what you apply on your skin, you still need to watch it out. So that is just one of it. And another good part which I did not mention, this product is not expensive. It is not expensive. I think about you get it for like 10 no, not 10 euro. You get it in Europe, is quite expensive, but in Africa it's not expensive, 5,000 naira. So you can get it. It's not so expensive. I'll talk about where you can get this product. So that is the disadvantage. So just watch it out and just care for products you apply on your skin, most especially in your first and second trimester as a pregnant woman. So this is it has a smell so nice. I love the smell. You know, in buying body scrub, I'm always particular about the smell, because after scrubbing your body, it still leaves this trace on your body. This makes you smell nice, refresh, and your skin glow. It has this something like a brownish stuff, like coffee. This is not sugar, definitely it's not sugar. And remember, this product they have different types of Veet Gold body scrub. They have the coffee, they have different types. So this is the particular one that a friend recommends. So this is it. Let me scoop out of it. So this is how it looks like. It's having this cream kind of and you apply it on your skin. Make sure your skin is a bit wet, not so wet. I let it sit for like 2 minutes before I wash it out, and make sure you wash it with lukewarm water. Yeah, it's up to you. You can scrub before you apply your normal soap and sponge, or you can. I have a friend that what she usually do is she apply her normal soap and sponge then before she scrub. Yeah, that is her style. But me personally, I scrub first before I apply my soap and sponge and take my proper bath, so that whatever leftover residue that scrub I've left on my skin, the soap and sponge, will be able to like take them out, wash them out. So just do what works for you. Either one of these two, just do what works for you. It's about 600 ml, and if you're the type that don't scrub like twice in a week, so this should be able to you should be able to use it for like 6 weeks when your body is a little bit wet, so it's easier to apply it. But if your body is dry, you find out that it's consumed more. You use more when your body is dry. When I mean wet, not extra wet, but just picture your body is a little bit wet for applying it, so that you don't consume too much scrub. So guys, let's get straight into where you can get this product and how much you can get it. So this product, like I said, it has different type, but they're still written Veet Gold. Make sure you look for the one that has retinol. This has the best ingredients that you can think of. Others are also good depending on your skin challenge and what you're trying to achieve. So you just go for the one that suits you. But I got this because of the retinol in it. All my skincare, if you are in your early 30s to your mid 30s, you should know that any skin care product you're applying on your skin must have anti-aging. That is just me. That is how I'm trying to like meet up with looking good and trying to like reduce the numbers of the fine lines and wrinkles. Actually, I have wrinkles. You can't like 100% get rid of it, but you can slow it down and fade it a little bit. So if any skincare manufacturer tell you that this product A is going to get rid of your wrinkles like 100%, then that's not possible. But some products can help you slow the progress, the rate at which the wrinkles multiply, or kind of like reduce the wrinkle you've already have, more like feeding it a little bit. But letting it go off completely, you might have to go for plastic surgery. Yeah. So we all have to grow old. Is a phase of life that everyone will have to go through. So what you have to do is take care of yourselves, so that when you are in your 40s, when you are 50s, you still slay and look beautiful. Yeah, so I'll be coming up with skincare routines, skincare products for ladies in their 30s and above, because I'm in my 30s. I'm getting old. Oh my god. Embrace your old age. Yeah, so it's another phase of life that we all have to like embrace it and be happy and think of ways to slay. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video, and I hope you like it. Did I talk about how much I bought it? I don't think I said it. So this product is available on Gigi if you're in Africa. It's available on Gigi and Jumia, and it goes for like 5,000 naira on Gigi and Jumia. But for eBay and Amazon, you can get it for like, if you're in Europe, you can get it for like 40 euro, 30 euro. If you're in US, you can get it for like, I think you based on the time I'm recording this video, euro and US dollar, I think they're almost the same, or US dollar is even higher. US dollar is even higher. So if euro is 30, so US dollar may get like 28, 27. Yeah. So that is just it. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you love this video. If you have any question, please don't forget to drop the comment in the comment section. Ask me any question you have to ask me, and I'll be here to attend to you. And also don't forget to my vlog channel, where I talk about my life in Poland. I have other skincare products I review. Those products are super good. I don't review products that I know I've not tested. I make sure I test this product before I bring it out here to review it. Yeah, another product I'm trying to explore more is about eye bag, on how to fight if you have eye bag. Yeah, I'm having eye bag is something I've been fighting with since when I was in my early 20s. Yeah, because when I'm stressed, when I don't sleep well, this eye bag kind of like pop out, is so embarrassing. So it takes till like maybe during the noon time, maybe like 12, 1, 2, 3 for it to like calm down a bit, to reduce. A product that's spent more than $300. Some failed me, some are still trying to like to be sure that this product is actually doing the work. I'm doing a lot to make sure I don't come here to talk about something that will not work for you. Yeah, so guys, give this video a thumbs up, and I really appreciate for your subscription, and I appreciate for you to watch this video till the end, to the stage. I really appreciate it. So to all my old subscribers, you are gorgeous, you are awesome. Yeah, so guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.